me a god. They call me a god. They call me a
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me, Joffrey, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today, guys, I'm going to show you my full review of this hottest, the latest flagship of Huawei, which is the Huawei Mate50 Pro. Alright, but before that, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech news and reviews. Without further ado, let's do first the unboxing.
I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. Straight to the bank to collect my payments. No negotiations, it's my way. I was born in...
Flagship phones need a great box as well, black with gold text. After you open the box, you can see here the phone itself, along with the user guide, SIM ejector pin, the free silicone case, and Huawei is still generous. It includes a free case in the box, and along with the fast charging speed, 66 watts charger, and Type A to Type C cable. Now, let's start with the gorgeous design of this phone. Huawei always step up in terms of their flagship phone design, and this has iconic symmetrical space ring design with the Clos de Paris pattern in the camera. The Mate 50 Pro has three different color options, which is silver, black, and this gorgeous vegan leather orange edition, which is similar to their Mate 30 Pro's previous model. But I can say that this has unique texture and with super premium looks, especially if you're holding it. The black I have is a bit slippery, so I suggest to you guys take the vegan leather, and it has a 512GB of internal storage as well. The front of the phone is dominated by a large 6.74-inch 2K OLED Huawei Full View display with a high resolution of 2616 by 1212 pixel, making it perfect for streaming movies or playing games. The display also has a high refresh rate of 120Hz, which means that everything on the screen will look incredibly smooth and fluid, with 1 billion color support, 300 touch sampling rate, and this is the first time Huawei introduced their new developed Kunlun glass with 5-star glass drop resistance certification from Switzerland SGS, with 10 times drop resistance improved compared to its predecessor. The display is super durable. I saw a lot of drop test videos as well in internet. The Mate 50 Pro is packed with powerful hardware. It is powered by flagship CPU of Qualcomm, which is Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, and it is one of the most advanced mobile processor on the market. This means that the Mate 50 Pro is capable of handling even the most demanding apps and games without breaking a sweat. In addition, the phone comes with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, both silver and black color, and the vegan leather has 512GB internal storage, which can be expanded via nano memory card. The Mate 50 Pro is also equipped with 4700 mAh battery that supports 66 watts supercharge, 50 watts wireless charger, and 5 watts of reverse wireless charging. Since we are talking about the performance, I tried to play the most popular apps like Asphalt 9 and PUBG, and really you will never disappoint with its performance. In PUBG, it goes up to max settings with smooth and extreme with UHD graphics, and it runs battery smooth. Same here with Asphalt 9, and it generates all the great graphics, and I didn't encounter any lags while playing these games. I also checked the Antutu Benchmark, and I expected this kind of result, which is 866,000, but if you change the performance mode, it increased to more than 1 million scores, which is really great, especially if you are always in the gaming mode. Finally, the most standout features of the Huawei Mate 50 Pro is its camera system. The phone has a triple camera setup on the back, featuring a main 50 megapixel HUAWEI with ultra aperture X-Mage camera and OIS support. This is the first time I saw a smartphone with physical aperture adjustment with 10 different sizes from f1.4 to f4.0 aperture. Bigger aperture meaning it can capture more light, more depth of field, and separation from the object to the background, and of course better bokeh similar to the professional camera. It has 30 megapixel ultra wide angle lens with f2.2 aperture and can capture up to 120 degrees field of view, and 64 megapixel with f3.5 aperture, 90mm periscope telephoto lens with OIS, 3.5 optical zoom, and 100 times digital zoom, and a 3D TOF sensor or laser autofocus. This camera system allows you to take stunning photos with a high level of details and clarity even in low light conditions. The front-facing camera is also impressive with a 30 megapixel lens that's perfect for selfie, and 3D TOF sensor for 3D face unlock, which is really quick and more reliable. Now let me show you the photos and videos that I've taken with this HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. Now, if you want to access Google Play Store and Google Apps, you can now install the G-Box in your Mate 50 series. Again, still this is a third-party apps, but it do the works and it's working fine. So overall guys, the HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro is a fantastic smartphone. Alright guys, so that's it for today, and what do you think of this latest HUAWEI flagship phone, which is the HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro? This could be your flagship smartphone today? So leave your comment down below guys, and if you like the video guys, please consider subscribing, and I can make great content like this for you guys in the future. Alright, thanks for watching and see you next time. Peace out.